Hey YouTube, I'm not known for repair videos. I watch a lot of them, but I thought I'd share this one because I hadn't seen this content anywhere else. Um, I had an old VHS DVD combo machine and we wanted to digitize some tapes. So I pulled it out and I put a couple of VHS tapes in there. And the first couple played fine. Then I had one, when I ejected it, the tape got stuck. So I did what everybody else has done back in the day. You just kind of tug on it till the tape comes free. The next tape I put in loaded fine, played it for a couple of seconds to tell what was on it. I hit the eject button and the cartridge did not come out. The VHS tape was stuck inside the deck. I went on YouTube to figure out how to eject the tape and saw a lot of content, everybody that said the same thing, and I'll show you what they said. It's a Samsung VHS DVD combo. And when the tapes get stuck, everybody will tell you that what you need to do is manually operate the tray. So this is the tray here that holds the VHS tape. Everybody will tell you operate this gear manually to lift the tray up. So the first thing you have to do is remove the drive motor with the worm gear on it. So I took that off. There's just one screw on mine holding that in place. And then I manually turned this gear. Let me see if I can focus on that. So when you do that, what's supposed to happen is you'll see, so I set this up so it would be in the position of a stuck tape. Obviously there's no tape in there. There's the tape that was in there. Here's my friend that helped me get that tape out of there. So this is the position that everything was in when I finally got the old tape out. So I turned this gear, and what that does is you'll see it pulls back on these two pins that hold the tape against the playhead. And as this comes back, what's supposed to happen is everything lines up, and then that tray lifts and your tape comes out. What happened in my case was when I had that tape that got stuck, let me put this back in the down position. Hold on. Okay, so now we're back in the stuck position. What was happening on mine was, let me get a pointer here. This little tension bar right here, the tape wraps around it. And when I had pulled it out, what happened was it lifted this bar, lifted up. It bent it. Let me see if I can put that back like that. So when I turned the gear to release, it was jamming. It was jamming right there. Sorry about this video quality. And then it couldn't fully retract these two pieces and the tape wouldn't come out. So what I finally ended up doing was getting a pair of needle nose pliers. I'm gonna have to do it again. And I bent this back down into position like this. And this is kind of a crude way to do it, but it was effective. I bent it back down so when this retracts, it hits on this little plastic molding here, and now you can see that drives all the way back. And then when these get to the home position, it releases the tape and everything comes up. So if you do this, if you have this problem where it won't eject, try the worm gear. It might just be a skip tooth or something. But if that doesn't work, this is probably your culprit. If this is jamming against this other piece, just bend that back down so that it rides along this edge, and that should free your tape up. Good luck. Take care. Bye.